This is the spot where the voiceover normally goes for the intro, but I didn't do it like that. I did it later on. This is called foreshadowing. That's a term that us fancy filmmakers use to sound even fancier. Hope you guys are doing well out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share. Bye. All right, so we have her on the rig. Let's get the signal amplitude up. We're just going to use this signal tracer just for the amplifier portion. And the current limiting bulb is telling me that everybody's happy. The pilot lamp is out, so I'll take a look at that. I'll investigate that. And then I have the umbilical cord hooked up there. And I'm going to be using the control panel just to see if we can manipulate the signal the way we like. Top of the morning, back in the house with that Premier Model 71. Looks like the sun decided to peek out from behind the clouds, letting some natural light in, so figured it's a good time to shoot some film. Or shoot some SSD drive, as it were. So I spent the majority of last night working on circuit tweaks and fixes, and this morning on filling out those reamed holes in the cleats from the fasteners being removed and reinstalled over the decades. Just take a peek. I'm gonna have to remove the lower chassis because I totally forgot that the pilot lamp is not working, and I need to check that out and find out what's up. So let me see if I can get you in here, and I'll show you what I did, because maybe we'll reconnect these again someday. This is an 8-ohm speaker. Now, instead of removing the capacitors, I just took the positive lead off the speaker terminal right here. Actually, it's a tag strip, and I just laid it across here, and you can see the two little zip ties there. So I'm going to go ahead and get these drilled, and then I'll remount the control panel or the upper chassis, the faceplate, whatever you want to call it. It's getting back in there. Perfect. That's how we like it. Let's finish driving this one home. Boy, these flatheads, just slotted fasteners, just make me nervous. So you just want to be super careful you don't let it jump out and scrape or scratch. Sometimes if I'm super nervous, I'll put a little bit of painter's tape around it. There, and that's it. Look. That's when your fasteners can fasten.
But how do you put all the videos back together?
I'll just stitch them together. Here's a shot of those repaired holes along the left cleat as you face the amp from the rear, obviously. Those are going to be re-drilled once the panel's ready to go back on, which should be pretty soon, because by and large she's done. I just need to sort out that lamp. What's up with this pilot lamp? Hopefully something simple, something silly. We'll see, won't we?